Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making lemon blueberry cake. So, this recipe is inspired by a summer when I used to work at Krusteaz, right off Seattle, Washington.
Excuse me for one moment. Is that the real pronunciation?
Well, little known fact, Krusteaz is really pronounced Krusteaz. The recipe and the links to the products you see here will be in the description below. Do Little House of Beans a quick favor, click that notification bell, subscribe, comment, click that like button to the Little House of Beans. We do also have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. I am really eager to cook the lemon blueberry cake. Come with me, and we will be using the yellow Omnia lid, which comes in such great colors. Yes! Woo!